Hey there, Exonette tornado here. So do you know what electricity is? I mean, that's a stupid question. Everyone we knows what electricity is. Or they don't. Well, if you think you know what electricity is, do you know what electric potential is? Or what is the difference between electric potential and current? What is more important? Well, if you can answer, you know. But what if you don't? Then you have to know that electricity is because of the free electrons which do not revolve inside an atom, they move on the surface of atoms. Or let us take an example of a battery connected to a wire. In old times, mean times before 1897, people thought that charges move from positive terminal to negative terminal. But in 1897, Joseph John Thomson discovered electrons, after which people understood that charges move from negative terminal to positive terminal. But they still didn't change their mind, because scientists thought that if electron would have positive charge, so they would move from positive terminal to negative terminal, and they call such current conventional current that move from positive terminal to negative terminal. And the current that we use in our homes is called electronic current that move from negative terminal to positive terminal. So what caused them to move? I mean, in physics we know nothing moves on their own. Everything needs work to move, or the moving thing like us must have an ability to do work, which is called energy. So the electrons have energy of their own, and we call that energy electric potential. Electric potential means energy carried by each charge, and it is measured in joules per coulomb or volt. So what is current and why it is so important? Actually, current is the amount of charges or electrons that move from one terminal to another in 1 second, and it is measured in amps. Okay, let us take an example of a battery connected to a wire and supplying 1 ampere of current. It means that 9 quintillion 250 quadrillion electrons will move through that wire in 1 second, and the speed is nearly the speed of light. And as always, thanks for watching.